Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome again in our class. And I am your art teacher, Aqsa Khalid. In previous lesson, we have drawn a vase. Now we are going to draw a new object, a kite. So let's start. First, write down the topic. Then, draw a straight vertical line. Then, we are gonna mark shoulder line going across. So I will start from the top and connect this side. Then connect with curved line. Now we have a diamond shape. This kite is called a diamond kite. Now we will add some details, then start coloring. Be careful during coloring. It should look neat and clean. Continue coloring. You can use any color. It is complete. Practice it, and most important thing is to have fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Draw it in your sketchbooks. Allah Hafiz. Good luck, students.